In this video, I'll be showing you the simplest way to pay your Simple Mining fees. First of all, head to the deposit fee section of your Simple Mining account, and you'll see the section that says deposit service fee to your account. There are various different coins you can pay your fees with, the easiest of which would be Ethereum, since that's what the majority of people are currently mining. Click deposit via ETH and hit the show button below to reveal the address you need to send the coins to. Copy this address and we'll use this later on. We advise you pay enough to cover your fees for 6 months to save you going through this process frequently. So to figure out how much you'll need to pay, drag the slider in the deposit calculator to select 6 months and input the amount of rigs that you own. In this example, this 5-rig farm is costing $60 or 0.018 Ethereum at today's market price to fund for 6 months. Next, open your Binance if that's the exchange you use. If you don't have any Ethereum already, you'll need to purchase some to pay your fees. To do this, head to Buy Crypto in Binance, select the amount in USD you want to buy, select Ethereum, put your card details in and hit Buy. Now that you have Ethereum, head to your wallet and click Withdraw. Select Ethereum as the coin, paste the Ethereum address you copied to your clipboard from Simple Mining earlier, and select ERC20 under the network. It's vitally important that you make sure you select the ERC20 address in Binance, otherwise you may lose your coins by sending them to the wrong address. Finally, put the amount of coins you worked out you need to send earlier into the amount box. You may notice the final amount you'll withdraw will be less than the amount you put in because of fees. If you want to reduce your fees, we recommend paying with Litecoin by buying or transferring Ethereum into Litecoin and paying with that instead. If you want to do this, just remember to find the Litecoin address in Simple Mining and repeat the earlier processes in this video, such as using the deposit calculator. Now hit withdraw and enter your 2-factor authentication codes and you should see a balance showing in Simple Mining within an hour or two, although it may take up to 24 hours. You've now paid your Simple Mining fees and can mine for the amount of time you've paid for. Thanks for watching, and for more mining tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to Easy Crypto Hunter.